Hey there, crumpet lovers, welcome back to Scrummy. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of Warburton's Crumpets. I'm going to show you how to cook these to perfection, creating that perfect blend of soft, fluffy insides and crispy golden edges. So grab your butter everyone, and let's get toasting with Britain's favourite crumpets. To start, pour plain flour into a medium-sized bowl and add in the salt and cold water. Mix with a whisk for about 5 minutes to create the crumpet batter. Now we can add the sugar, the baking powder and the instant yeast. Mix the yeast with a little water before adding it to the mixture. This helps distribute it more evenly in the batter. Pour it in and mix again for 30 seconds. This amount of mixture will make 6 crumpets, but I'd recommend doubling it so you can make more. Cover with a bit of cling wrap and place in a warm place for about 1 hour. When it's ready, it will have doubled in size and you get lots of air bubbles in it, just like this. Give it a stir to remove any large air bubbles, and now we're ready to start cooking our crumpets. I find it best to use a non-stick frying pan with a little oil and place it on a medium heat. Make sure to grease the rings really well with cold butter. Place 60 grams of the batter in each of the rings. Just let them cook away on a medium heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. When they're nearly fully cooked on top, remove the rings and flip them over to cook a little on the other side. My best tip for cooking crumpets is to grease the rings well with butter. Be patient when you're cooking them, don't cook them on a high heat, or the crumpets will stick to the side of the rings, or even burn, which is even worse. These look great, and just look at all those holes for the melted butter. Allow to cool and toast and enjoy with butter or anything else you like. I love them with butter and homemade jam, nothing like it. I'd love to know how you like to eat your crumpets. Are you just a plain butter person, or do you like butter and jam like me? Let me know in the comments down below. Hope you enjoyed this Warburton's Crumpet tutorial and try them out. Please subscribe to my channel, scrummy.tv. I'd love to see you back here soon. Thanks so much for watching. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy!